Basic versus Advanced English. Tell, inform. Example: please inform me when the package arrives. Try, attempt. Example: he attempted to open the door quietly. Begin, commence. Example: the ceremony will commence at 6 p.m. Think about, contemplate. Example: she contemplate the offer carefully before accepting. Check, verify. Example: please verify the information before submitting the report. Agree, consent. Example: she gave her consent to the proposal. Refuse, decline. Example: he politely declined the invitation.